If you have a slow or noisy drain and you've tried drain cleaner or snaking it out and it's still not taking care of the problem, it might be the way your plumbing's set up. Let's see if we can fix this. Remember when you were a kid, or maybe you're still like me and you still do it, you play with your straw and you put your finger over the top of it and the liquid won't drain out until you move your finger? The plumbing in your house is no different from that straw. You need air to come into the pipe behind the water so it'll drain properly. I think that's what my problem is. A lot of times on kitchen sinks, you're gonna have what's called an air admittance valve underneath the sink, and that's put in because your kitchen sink's normally against an outside wall. It's easier to use one of those valves than to run the drain pipes up the outside wall. So I'm going to relocate my air admittance valve and see if that fixes my problem. This is the air admittance valve right here, this black thing under my sink. And you'll be able to tell if it's an air admittance valve because it'll have some kind of slots in the side and it'll be flat on top and it'll have threads so it can be easily changed. These can wear out over time, but it should not be located where this one is, so low underneath the sink. This valve itself, the air admittance valve or AAV, should be up very high right underneath the countertop. I'm going to show you how to relocate this if you have this problem. I'm only going to need a few simple fittings that you can get at any hardware store to move my AAV where it belongs. This fitting right here that's threaded here and smooth on the inside is going to go in place of where the valve is now. I'll put on an elbow, a short piece of pipe, another elbow to go up further under the sink, and then I'll put in this fitting here that has threads on the inside, and this is where I'll put the valve once I relocate it up near the top of the countertop. So moving that air admittance valve up 10 inches made a big difference in how fast the sink drains. It's still a little noisy, it's not perfect, but what are you gonna do? At least I was able to get one thing fixed. So if you have a slow draining sink, check out your air admittance valve and see, maybe it's mounted too low, maybe it's not working properly. They're pretty inexpensive. You can pick them up at any hardware store and just swap it out. If you get some smell underneath your sink, you're not sure where it's coming from, sometimes they get stuck open. So that's something you might want to take a look at. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up so I know I'm putting out something you're interested in, and maybe hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way when I put out other videos in the future, you can see what I fix next time. Thanks for watching.